Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do the weekly analysis of index, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's dig it in. So first we are looking at Nifty index here, and as we normally do, we go from the top, basically the higher time frame, which is monthly. We are still like in the midway of this month, and Nifty is doing pretty well. I mean, it looks really good on monthly so far. Okay, and on weekly as well, as you can see, it's just forming this kind of higher highs and higher lows. You see, it's just doing the same thing. It's continuing what it was doing, right? Higher highs and higher lows. So clearly there is no reason to believe that the market is going to go down. We always have to assume that the market is in an uptrend, and it continues that, and we don't know how far this leg can stretch. Okay, we will have to see and wait basically, and the market will tell us when it wants to, correct basically, or put in a pullback leg. Okay, so weekly, that was the view. And then on daily, I think the bulls are, we were expecting this level to be tested before going any further, right? That's what I was expecting, and bears had a perfect chance. Okay, they had a perfect chance to, after this bear bar, they could have tried and printed some more bear bars and test these levels. And as I said, and I thought like the bulls wouldn't mind if that was the case as well, because they would have had a very strong base. That base would have been tested and they could have taken off from there, which would be more sustainable in my opinion. Okay, that would have been more sustainable, and we could have expected like another 3-4 months of bull run. So that's my view, but that didn't happen actually. So what I'm expecting now is basically the bulls are trying to shift their base. Okay, I think they are forming this as a base now. So as long as price trades about this particular level here, I think we should be positive about the market and look for buying opportunities rather than selling opportunities. That's what the market is saying at the moment. Okay, so the bulls are just trying to shift their base higher, and ideally, as I said, I'm repeating this, but I think this level should have been tested. If not now, it's going to be tested, in future as well. That will be a good zone to buy. Okay, so as that has not been tested yet, so the bulls are trying to shift the bases higher. That's what I am seeing here on the charts. Now moving on to Bank Nifty, let's go to monthly time frame, and as you can see, Bank Nifty is still lagging behind Nifty in terms of movement. It's kind of printing a bear bar here, whereas the Nifty is printing a bull bar. Okay, on weekly as well, there has been some rejection from the bottom. That's what I'm seeing here, some rejection from the bottom, and as I said, it's kind of lagging when compared with Nifty, but it's not a big deal for the Bank Nifty, because it's if it starts its momentum to go up, then it can very easily catch up with Nifty. We all know that, right? So now going to daily, as the same with the Nifty, I was expecting this level to be tested, and that did not happen. And I think the bulls are shifting their base even in Bank Nifty here to this level. Okay, so as long as Bank Nifty trades above this, I think we are okay and we can be bullish on the market. And even though if this breaks, I think there's very strong support at this area. So you cannot really be looking for a downtrending market anytime sooner. It's going to be in an uptrend itself. There could be some minor corrections, that's all. That's what the chart is saying at the moment. I hope you like this video. Please share with your friends, and also subscribe if you haven't done yet. Give me a thumbs up. It motivates me a lot to produce these kind of videos every week, and also some other good content videos that will help you become a better trader. Thank you guys. See you soon.